Every spring, there's a popular saying that April showers bring May flowers. And so we also think about that with our roofing systems. How can that affect our roofing systems? And the first thing is we want to make sure we check our gutters. Are our gutters free from all the leaves and debris that may have accumulated over the winter? Also, do we have some trees growing by our house that might grow into our roof or into our siding of our home? We want to make sure we trim those back so that as they grow over the spring and the summer, they're not causing any damage to the house. And then also in the springtime, summertime, the house is getting a lot warmer, or the temperatures outside are getting a lot warmer, which is going to heat up your attic space. And one thing you want to make sure you do is you have a properly ventilated attic with proper intake under your soffits and then outtake up top, near your ridge, so that that air is moving really well out of your system with a flue effect, so that your attic is staying cool and your air conditioner is not working overtime to cool your house. If you think you're having any issues with your roof, please call Roden Roofing today.